Okay, folks, here we go. As promised, this video is for Dan. He wanted to see the finished product. There you go. 3x12 subway tile, dark blue, silver grout. Grouted, shined off. You'll notice no grout on the walls or in the bathtub. Everything was taped off before it was grouted. See how clean the tub is? A tile man 50 years ago told me. He said, Mike, when you get through grouting, I want that tub clean enough to drink water out of. That's always stuck with me because I take care of my customers. There you go, Dan. Mr. A-Star. Finished product. Done the right way. Okay, on the floors, we will be back later. This is a remodel in progress. We will be doing floors later. Okay. All the floors in this house will be done later. And a tile backsplash in the kitchen. This linoleum down here has been sitting here since '81. Okay, guys. Bath number 2, finished. Tub cleaned up. No grout on the walls. Tub cleaned out. Tile shining. That's what a professional job looks like, folks. Okay, Mr. Dan, Mr. A-Star. There you go, buddies. That's it for this week. Thanks for watching.